Namaskar. Today we will discuss about the tracheostomy tube suctioning.
First of all, let us discuss about tracheostomy. Tracheostomy means making an opening in the trachea or windpipe of a patient and in which a tracheostomy tube is inserted. Then the patient breathes only through this tube. Majority of the neurosurgery patients are discharged from the hospital along with the tracheostomy tube. During hospitalization, the healthcare providers, doctors and nurses take care of this tube. But it is important that family caregivers understand the procedure because they have to do this procedure at home till the patient gets normal. Now, what is TT suctioning? Suction is process of removing secretions from the tracheostomy tube with the help of suction machine. At home, the suctioning is done with a foot-operated machine because we cannot assure electricity supply 24/7. If patient can afford, they can use electric suction machine. This procedure needs full concentration while performing because while suctioning, we are inserting a suction catheter in the airway of the patient. In case of the following symptoms, immediately consult your doctor. Fever, 38 degrees Celsius or 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Increased secretion, thick and or smelly secretions. Cyanosis, bluish discoloration of the skin, lips, nails. Blood from tracheostomy tube. Increased respiratory rate, that is more than 20 breaths per minute. Difficult breathing. Increased heart rate, that is more than 100 beats per minute. Articles required for tracheostomy suctioning. These articles should be kept in a tray or a table or a stool near the patient's bed. A foot-operated suction machine with connecting tubing for suctioning. An appropriate size suction catheter, number 12 or 14. One pair of paper gloves or clean gloves. Face mask. Rolling boiled and then cooled water in a glass or normal saline. A pair of scissors to cut the suction catheter if necessary. Clean cloth pieces or sterile gauze pieces to clean the secretions stick to catheter during suction. A small towel to spread over the patient's chest to protect the garments from soiling during suctioning. A small dustbin or paper bag to collect the waste material. Hand rub or soap in a soap dish for hand washing. One clean towel to dry hands after washing. Steel container with lid to store the used suction catheter. Step-by-step procedure of TT suctioning. Wash your hands with hand rub or soap and water. Assess need for suctioning, that is the condition of the patient like secretions in the tube, difficult breathing or skin color turn blue. Wear face mask. Inform the patient regarding the procedure even if he or she is unconscious. Remove pillows beneath the head end of the patient and give him a flat position. Spread the small towel across the patient's chest below the tracheostomy tube side. This will protect the garments of the patient. Provide chest physiotherapy to the patient from outward to inward and downward to upward cupping for around 5 to 10 minutes. Proper technique you can see in our chest physiotherapy video. Again, wash your hands with hand rub or with soap and water. Open the seal of suction catheter or cover of steel container in which the suction catheter is kept safe. 14 gauge for adults or as per prescription. Wear clean or paper gloves and sanitize your hands with hand rub properly. Kindly watch our video for wearing gloves for more detail. Attach suction catheter to the connecting tube of the machine carefully. Place your foot on the pedal of the suction machine to check its functioning by assessing changes in pressure while paddling. Using your dominant hand, rinse the tip of the catheter in water glass. Expose the patient's tracheostomy opening using non-dominant hand. Then with the non-dominant hand, make kink that is V shape of suction catheter at connecting point using thumb and index finger, and keeping the V shape, pedal the suction machine till pressure needle reaches to 120 to 150 mm of Hg. With the dominating hand, insert the suction catheter gently in the tracheostomy opening till the level of carina, till the point you feel some obstruction. Pull the catheter back a little or around 1 cm. Release V shape, that is kink of the catheter, and apply suction while you withdraw the catheter in a rotatory motion, that is, gently move the catheter in between thumb and index finger. It will remove the secretion properly from all sides of trachea. Clean the catheter after each suction attempt by applying suction while dipping it into the water-filled glass. Allow the patient to take 3-4 deep breaths between suction or encourage for coughing, if able to. Do not apply suction for longer than 10 seconds in each suction attempt. Repeat the procedure till there are no secretions, and there should be no more than 4 to 5 suction attempts. If needed, you can do mouth suction after finishing tracheostomy suction, but same catheter we cannot use for tracheostomy suction again. When the patient's airway is clear, thoroughly clean the catheter and connecting tubing with water. Dry the internal surface of suction catheter by passing suction air from inside by using environmental air. Take your foot off the pedal of the suction machine. Then disconnect the suction catheter from the tubing. Clean the outer surface of the catheter with cotton swabs or dry with clean cloth or with the spirit swabs. Store the used catheter for reuse in sterile covered steel container need to be daily sterilized. Remove the small towel from the chest of the patient. Cover the tracheostomy tube with sterile 2-layered wet gauze piece. Offer pillow to the patient. Give comfortable upright position to the patient. Dispose of suction waste in a closed drain. Clean the suction apparatus, connecting tube in jar with detergent. Remove gloves and discard them into the dustbin. Wash reusable articles with soap or detergent and replace them properly. Replace the suction machine jar and connecting tubes. Wash your hands with soap and water or hand rub properly. Note: you can reuse catheter for 24 hours only. It is better to use new catheter every time if affordable.